back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a cooking video. I'm going to be cooking breakfast and then later I'm going to be cooking dinner, so I'm going to add that into this video. So if you want to see what I'm cooking today, keep watching. First, we're going to start with the sausage. Just going to put them on the skillet, of course. Cut them up. I like to cut my sausage in fours. This ain't even a tutorial. Y'all just cooking with me. I ain't trying to make it a tutorial. Started on the potatoes next. I gotta bend down because I got these home style hash browns. And we're gonna get it.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so
Okay. Y'all don't mind my little skillet, because I done had this skillet for a long time. And as y'all can see, the non-stick part has clearly scraped off because I be using metal stuff, but that's neither here nor there. So we're gonna let that simmer while we get started on our potatoes.
it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you're done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back, bitch. Back on my bully, back on my dish, you in the studio. Back on tequila, back on the strippers, all the groupie hoes. This could get ugly, I'm petty, I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby, baby, one thing that you should know. Little baby, bounce back, act like you a stranger, memory loss, I play it like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded off the 42, quarters to imported blue dream inside the roll up, hold up. Watch me go up, leave you so stuck. I'm back and I'm better, think they one bitch on my level. Ain't no question, I'm a legend, baby. Don't ever forget it. No, you see me rolling in this rose gold, so cold. Oh no, I can't fuck with lanes like you no more.
Okay, now for my potatoes, I like to cook them through and then I'm gonna let them sit until the end when everything else is done. Then I like to add my cheese and let that melt on top. Cause you know how like when you add the cheese too soon and then it be sitting, it kind of get like stiff. So I don't want that. Like my cheese nice and melty when I'm eating it. So I'm gonna do that last for my potatoes. Sausage is done. That can sit and be cool. Now I'm about to get to that French toast. Okay, for the French toast waffles, you want to make sure that your Eggos are not frozen. So before you start cooking, you want to have these sitting out beforehand, and also while you're cooking everything else. Just so it won't be like soggy, I guess, when you're cooking them, because you're gonna cook them on the stove and not in a toaster like normal. And we actually eat these a lot.
No, I eat them.
Well, I buy these a lot because my daughter eats them a lot, and this is her favorite kind. So when I seen on TikTok or Instagram or whatever that they was making a French toast out of the Eggo waffles, they was using the plain waffles, and I'm like, why wouldn't y'all use the cinnamon since French toast, cinnamon? Duh, it's like a no-brainer. So we switched it up, and then also they come. I know y'all know about Eggos. Well, I don't know if y'all know because y'all might be grown, but they come as one whole waffle, but you can divide them into 4 little pieces, and we like them as little bites. So what I do is I cut them, I separate them first, and then I dip them all. Or you can cook them all and then separate them in at the end, but just to make sure that they're not like soggy in the inside, I just like to make them mini. That's better for me, but y'all about to see. So you're gonna need milk. Don't mind me, don't judge me. I use paper, plastic, all that. You're gonna need some eggs, of course, cinnamon, vanilla, and my favorite secret ingredient, yeah, this right here. This right here, boom. If you ain't got it, get it. So now, and I don't know, y'all, I got my little lounge set from Zara. It's got like the wide leg. It's nice and comfy, but this is what I don't like. Okay, hold on, let me lift y'all up. This is what I don't like. This. Why do my buttons, why is it like that to where it look like, oh, Zara? That ain't cute, but it's cute. Comfy, cool to lounge around the house in. But anyway, back to my cooking. All right. So you're gonna crack, depending on how many people you cooking for. Stop. I like mine's very cinnamony. Cinnamon. And I like a lot of this. Y'all, I don't know measurements. I just be, you know. And I probably should have mixed this before I put the seasonings in, because it's about to be splashing all over the place. But I got a whisker somewhere. You want to mix that real good, because I hate when it still be like big egg chunks attached to the French toast. Like, I don't want French toast with a side of egg. If y'all know what I mean. I don't want French toast with a side of egg attached to the bread, or waffle in this case. So I'm just gonna keep mixing this because I hate that. Sometimes I would get rid of them if it's too much. Cause yeah, these little chunks, egg chunks. I don't even like eggs. That's what's crazy. So that's why. So I want to make sure I mix this good. See that? No, that's my mix.
Ew.
This is what I need. And I might add some more cinnamon toast crunch season. Yeah, the whisker get the job done. Bitch, I look like Betty Crocker. Markeisha Stewart in the kitchen whipping. In the kitchen whispers like a stir fry.
In the kitchen wrist twisted like a stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen wrist twisted like a stir fry.
I'm down for the spill on my flour and Chino think he got eggs for breakfast. Okay. That should be good. We're gonna add some more season though. If y'all know what I mean. Cause I like my French toast to be sweet, boo-boo. Not that dry, bland. Kirby's Coney Island type of French toast. Nobody want that. This ain't Kirby's, boo-boo. This ain't Kirby's, boo-boo. Now that your mix is all mixed, what you're gonna do is get your Eggo waffles and cut them in fours. They're already perforated, so it's not that hard. But I will show you if you need some guidance. One sec. Take your Eggo, lay it down flat, cut it in four, like so. You want to keep repeating this process until you've cut enough waffles to feed your whole family. How many you want, Carson? Okay, I think I did 6 apiece, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do 8. That's like 2 waffles per. That's cool. Okay, when you done cutting up your waffles or whatever, we're gonna heat the skillet kind of low, not too high because them mother cook fast. Okay, so let's get to it. I like to keep this on standby because once you start dunking the waffles into the batter, you know, it kind of takes up the seasoning, so I'm gonna be adding more of that as I go. Bit nice and buttery. I'm trying to butter this pan good because I'm gonna try to cook as many as I can, y'all. I'm gonna try to cook as many at once as I can. So take your egg up. Dunk it lightly. Don't drown it. Do not drown it. It will be soggy, y'all.
Through drought and famine, natural
natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, baby. Who would have thought I'd get you?
And I'll take some time just to be thankful that I had days full of you. Before it winds down,
Voila. Alright, now we can add our Gouda cheese to our potatoes. Let that warm back up. We're gonna let that melt and then we're gonna mix it all up. Okay. Okay, and like that, breakfast is done. This is what it's looking like, y'all. I'm about to go ahead and test this out. Start with the French toast. Y'all gotta try it. This shit bussin' bussin'. TikTok, Instagram, whoever came up with this concoction. No, you know what? I gotta credit myself. I credit myself because it was my idea to use the cinnamon. The cinnamon minis. Excuse me. That's good. Y'all try this recipe out. Comment down below when y'all do. Let me know how it tastes. I'm about to finish eating and I will see y'all at dinner. Peace.
Don't be so quick to walk away. It's me. I wanna find your body. Please stay. It's me. You don't have to admit you on the way. It's me. Let me rock you to the break of day. It's me. Got time, but I don't mind. Just wanna rock you, girl. I'll have whatever you have. Come on, just give it.
anyway, in the meantime, before dinner, I want to go ahead and do an unboxing. Just something that I had ordered. Well, I already cut it open, but I just wanted to show y'all. So, baby, don't sleep on Coach, okay? Coach be having something. Don't tell nobody. Coach be having some shit, okay? So I got this t-shirt. I can't wait to wear this, y'all, because this is gonna be a look. I got this t-shirt. This is cute, okay? And wait, just wait till y'all see. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're so fucking cute. These are so cute. They fuzzy. They some fuzzy jogging pants. Oh my god. Y'all.
So fluffy.
These jogging pants was $3.25, and I would say they definitely worth it. And let me just say, they look big, but they're extra small in men's. These was men's joggers. They're extra small in men's. I should try them on, so y'all can see how they look on. But I can't wait to wear these. Listen, I'm gonna be the first one to wear them, and watch after I wear them how many people gonna try to come Coach. Watch how many people try to come Coach. Period, poo. One second. Hey y'all, I'm back. It is currently 7:35 and I'm starving. I'm about to make dinner. So for dinner today, I'm just making some Philly cheesesteak sliders using Hawaiian rolls. So let's get into it.
I miss you. I'm a little tipsy. I think about you all the time. Call me back.
Okay, so for today's Philly cheesesteak, of course, like I said before, I'm using Hawaiian rolls. I'm probably just gonna make this whole bag of them. That way, whatever's left, we can eat like snacks tomorrow or something. I have this shaved beef steak, already shredded, everything. It cooks so fast. I'm telling you, this is what you need for Philly cheesesteaks. And then I got some mozzarella cheese, because I like the white cheese for my Philly cheesesteaks to be very melty. I know some people use like provolone, Swiss, or whatever, but for me, I don't know why I just don't be like giving that melty, like that stretchy, melty little vibe. So, and then I got some peppers, onions. A fun fact, I don't really eat them. I just like to cook it with my meat so it can have that taste. I'm a little picky when it comes to that. I don't know, it's just something. Ever since I was little, I just never liked like peppers, onions, and stuff. But I like the taste of it, if that makes sense. So, yes, peppers, all of that. And I could have bought them fresh. I should have. I don't know why I didn't. But I just seen that and I was like, oh, that's cute. That's convenient. Save me some time on cutting. Okay, so basically first we're just gonna get this in a skillet. Warm the skillet up. Get this in. Season it up.
overnight. You are the sight, you magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way and still I stay.
Okay, so after tediously removing all of those peppers and onions out of the steak, it's time to make the sandwiches. Okay, so first of all, we have to carefully cut this in half. One second. I hope I can do this in one walk, because this right here, we gonna see. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to ruin the buns, but this knife clearly ain't sharp enough. Oh my god. Okay, I'm almost there. I almost made it through. I don't want to smash them. Oh my god. Okay, okay. I did it! Yay! Now that's off. Now I'm gonna transfer this to here. Y'all don't mind my tray, it is clean. I just clearly had it for a long time. Okay, so. I'm trying to figure out, should I put ranch on them and then put them in the oven? Or, yeah, because it's gonna melt all together, I'm gonna put the ranch on. Because I like ranch on my Philly cheesesteaks. Cheesy. Yay. Extra cheesy. Please. Now, back on how they were meant to be. Then we're gonna take some garlic spread. And butter these babies up. Okay. I just need to get a chunk on each top because okay. And while we wait for that to melt all together, I'm just gonna clean up. Okay, they are done. I think I want some more ranch on mine though. Let me get a thumbnail. That's actually good. Damn. Oh, I'll take a picture of my food. Okay, let me taste. Cheese hanging. I'm gonna need a fourth one. I don't know what I was thinking. Bitch. I'm telling y'all. Make these at home. I got mine. Strawberry, pineapple, mango smoothie made with passion fruit juice. This is about as closest to a vacation I'm gonna get for right now. Damn, that's good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Actually, comment down below if y'all want more cooking videos. And if so, what y'all want me to cook. Cause y'all know, I be whipping it up. This was light. I be whipping it up. I be making gumbo, curry chicken, baked chicken, stuffed chicken. Name it. I probably can make it. Oh, and then also, hold on, I'm really about to be cooking it up for y'all. Hold on. Let me show y'all what I got. Baby, I'm about to be chefing it up with y'all. I done already made a few of these recipes and they just bang, okay? I'm gonna make some more. I'm gonna make some more and I'm gonna record them. But yes, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down below if y'all want more cooking videos or whatever content y'all want. Let me know. See y'all next video. Bye.
I'm a little bitch, and I know you bitches hate me. You bitches hate me.